Do you want to see deleted messages on Instagram? You can check Unsend Insta chat messages with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To view and read deleted messages on Instagram. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once you are in Settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Here, you will see various notification settings. From here, find and tap on Advanced Settings. A new screen appears. Now, look for the option Notification History and tap on it. If Notification History is not enabled, turn on the toggle switch button. Once enabled, your phone will start saving all incoming notifications, including Instagram message notifications. Remember, this feature may not be available on all mobile devices or may vary depending on the phone brand and Android version. Scroll down to the Instagram section and tap on it to view all deleted or unsent messages. Now, scroll through the list of saved notifications and find the Instagram messages to read the deleted or unsent chat. In this way, you can recover and read deleted chat messages from Instagram even after they were unsent.